All right, we have another plane coming in right here.
Oh my God. What's up, Travel Squad? We are back at it again.
Back at it again.
And today we are here with Splash in the Sun Tours on St. Maarten.
Dude, this island is gorgeous. It's such a beautiful day.
Splash in the Sun Tours, they offer ATV tours. They even do Jeep tours sometimes. They're located on the Dutch side of the island, but they have different types of tours, or you can just rent your own and go around the island.
We're here with Taz. He's gonna take us around in this, what do you call this, an ATV or?
UTV.
A UTV. He's gonna take us around the UTV, give us a personal tour today.
We're getting the special treatment today, the VIP tour.
Exactly.
Shout out to Splash in the Sun Tours. We'll leave all their info down below.
Let's do this. It kind of reminds me of Bermuda a little bit, especially like the colorful houses and stuff.
Yeah, coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big bin dope on flame.
We can see our cruise ship out in the distance. I think Laura's a little nervous. You good?
Yeah, it's fun though.
Look at that view though. Jeez. Gorgeous water. Right over here is Fort Amsterdam. Oh my God, it looks like it's a resort. Oh, nice.
I remember this from when I was younger.
Laura, do you see this view? I was not expecting this.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. I can't even get over this. Is this what you remember when you were younger?
Yes.
I mean, it's very steep, very like a lot of inclines, but like the payoff, amazing.
So basically down below, all right, it's called Colby, all right? They have a lot of warehouses, factories, but basically it's commercial down there. The body of water you guys see in between the land there is a lagoon. It's called Simpson Bay Lagoon on the Dutch side, just a lagoon on the French side. When you see those white buildings with the orange roofs, go all the way down to the sandbank, that whole area is Simpson Bay. So you have nightlife, entertainment, food, etc.
Okay.
All right? And then from the sandbank to the pick is Maho, where we're gonna be stopping to try to see some planes land and take off.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
All right?
There's the airport.
Yeah, so this is the international airport right here. It's about the same size as Bermuda's International, or at least a smaller maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
So our second stop is the #1 place I wanted to go.
Yes. Maho Beach.
Oh, because I couldn't remember the name.
You wanted to go so bad and you can't remember the name?
All I know it is as Airplane Beach, so.
Also, I have to say really quick, these sunglasses have come in clutch on this drive because otherwise I would have so much sand and stuff in my eyes. So shout out to Paradise Adventure Co.
Supposedly at this beach bar, you can see like the times the planes come in and all that stuff.
Oh, I forgot about that, yeah.
So hopefully we can see something good and then get a picture of it.
Here are the flight times today. It looks like we're just gonna miss JetBlue.
I wish you could come here later for the Delta.
I know, that would be incredible. But this is really nice that they have the schedule up here.
We might have just missed a plane, but we're gonna pop a squat, secure our spot. The airport's like literally right behind us. And the nice blue water, geez, this is like the same color as my hair, the water.
Yeah, it is.
But hopefully we can see a plane come in. If not, oh well, we just have to come back and like literally come back.
Ooh, that give me chills, that car being that close to me.
Little word of advice. It looks like all the big planes, like the Deltas, the JetBlues and all that stuff, they come in the afternoon. So if you want to see like the big plane and see it fly over and all that stuff, that's where you need to come here, because in the morning it's a lot of like the puddle jumpers where they go from like island to island, so they're not that big of planes. All right, we have another plane coming in right here.
Oh my God!
You good?
That was a little terrifying, actually.
Okay, you ready to go? I saw my plane. I wish it was a Delta plane. It was a big plane, but it was pretty
still
cool.
pretty cool, yeah.
Okay, I had to get one more shot of the planes. I really wanted to be the Delta one. I like Delta, but I know it's gonna be later in the day. But these planes are coming in really fast and it's not according to the schedule. So it might be early, not sure. Planes coming in right here. You guys can see the lights right there. I mean, it is a bigger plane. It might be the Delta one. Oh, I think it's a JetBlue. I think it's JetBlue. This is so dope. so cool. I finally saw a big plane. I'm happy now. Let's continue this tour around St. Maarten. It's such a perfect day. I would say get here around like 11:30 because there's 2 big tour buses that picked up the cruise ship.
I think there was 3 or 4 actually.
Okay. We're leaving and there's like a couple hundred people just got off the bus and it's going to the beach. We wouldn't have any space anyway, so.
Yeah, but we're pleasantly surprised because most of those planes we just saw weren't supposed to be here till after we left, so they were early.
So just a little let you guys know, if you guys come on Splash in the Sun ATV tour, they take you to your own private beach. There's literally nobody here. And the water is nice and clear, but like, we literally have our own secluded beach. But Laura's like already ready to go.
I'm gonna go for a splash in the sun.
Oh, I see what you did there. This water is so refreshing. My dad always used to say like, there's something so refreshing about Caribbean water. It feels like he's rejuvenated. And I have to agree, like it's something about this. It just cools you off. The color is amazing. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. I can't remember the name of this beach. It's like Cupecoy. I think it's called Cupecoy. I mean, I guess someone told us, and you might have mentioned it before we even got here, but a lot of these beaches are like, I guess nude beaches?
Yeah, on the French side.
I've never been to a nude beach before, so I'm kind of just
Yeah,
like,
you seem a little flustered right now.
A little bit.
Gosh.
Before I forget, guys, if you guys are enjoying these videos and you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, leave a comment, and also smash the like button. It helps our videos grow and get spread to more people, but it also means you join the travel squad. So all this is the French side. You guys can see from the words up there, they're in French. Nice little market over here. So we have made our next stop, which is...
Lunch.
No,
right?
No.
Oh.
We're at the French capital of the French side of St. Maarten, which looks like some type of markets.
Sorry. I thought you were talking about the stop after this.
No. It's nice and quiet. There's not really much going on.
Okay, but the next stop is lunch.
I don't think so. I think it's a beach, the highest point, and then lunch.
I'm hungry.
Look at that. Jeez.
We are at the highest viewpoint of St. Maarten right now. Headed out to see the view.
Yeah, I bet it's gonna be amazing. Highest viewpoint drivable.
Highest viewpoint drivable.
Yes.
Zip line, the Flying Dutchman zip line.
Yeah.
It is high.
Yeah.
Right, but you don't get to see the whole complete island, like how you getting to see the complete island from on top of here.
So quiet up here. Oh, look at this.
You guys see here is what we've done so far from the cruise ship. Airport, coming down this way, you see the skyscraper buildings, Cupecoy.
Yeah.
All right, from Cupecoy, see where the vegetation, the mountain starts?
Yeah.
All right, remember that's why I showed you guys welcome to the French side. So you have Terre-Basse, Bay Rouge, Lowlands, Bay Rouge. Bay Rouge is in the corner.
What do you think so far?
It's incredible. It's so quiet up here.
It is.
I feel like I should whisper.
Like this tour has been amazing so far. We saw like everything, like we just pointed out, but you definitely have to spend like more than a week here. I mean, you get a little taste when you go on cruises, but like there's so much to do in St. Maarten and we only saw like half of it so far, so.
I just need some shade and a hammock and I'm good.
Yeah, so we just beach hop for one day.
Right here.
Oh yeah, Laura's getting red right
Got
here.
burned.
We have the ship in the distance. Can barely see it, but it's in the middle of your screen. Gee, the views up here have been amazing.
This is so cool, and normally you can't bring cars up here.
Yeah.
I saw a big sign that you have to normally hike up here.
40 minutes.
Yeah, it's a long hike, so he took us straight to the top.
And steep.
Has been
Amazing, yeah.
freaking amazing. Walking over to the next viewpoint, and it looks even more incredible than the last. This cannot be real.
Jeez. This the one you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Island you guys seen in the island you guys seen out there is St Maarten.
Over there?
Yeah, that's St Maarten.
Wow.
You guys ever heard of St Maarten before?
Yeah.
French island, yeah.
If we zoom in, you can see, hopefully, middle of the screen, St. Bart's. Just want to say really quick that this UTV that they've been taking us around in today, it is going to be a new offering. And today was the first time they drove it up the mountain ever. So, you know, we are part of history. Definitely worth it. Completely covered. We weren't in the sun all day.
What are you talking about, the tour?
Yeah, the vehicle.
Bruh. This hike is usually like a 40 to an hour hike. And we're the only one that have like an ATV, UTV type of thing up here. So like, no brainer. Like,
I don't think I would do this hike.
Because it is hot.
It is hot and it is a very long hike. And we were just taken straight to the top.
So before we're going back to the ship, we actually stopped to get some lunch.
Lunch.
Not in like a touristy area. You guys can probably see from behind me. There's some tour buses over here. I don't know where they're going. We stopped off at this little restaurant, mountains in the background. I might butcher this, but it's called either Cito's Place or Cito's Place Restaurant, Bar, and Grill. I am so excited that we get to try some local we get to try some local food. And then we come inside and what's even better is that they just have us set up 3 chairs in our own little private lunch, our own little private restaurant room, table. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's really nice. Did you know that you can charge your phone? You can make it your drone battery into a power brick for your phone. Can we just talk about this service? I got the ribs, there's some plantain, some rice, some vegetables, some yuca. And then what did you get?
I got the chicken.
Nice.
I think yuca, veggies, and I think plantains over here.
And how does it taste?
Oh, it's so good.
I love just eating like this local food because it is amazing. Look at this.
Literally, it feels like someone's grandma cooked me this. I have no words. It's just fantastic. It's so good.
#1 Sky Team, Cito's Place. So good. 100% recommend. So Laura, we're gonna come back here next time?
Yeah, and you're gonna get naked. I'll watch.
But yeah, this is a nude beach up here, guys.
No photography, babe.
So yeah, this is the nude beach. Can't really film. I don't want to get in trouble. So yeah, that's one of the stops.
It's a big violation of privacy.
Yes.
So, but we'll describe to you later.
Exactly, in detail, great detail. No, what were you saying about this?
For somebody see it like this, ever like this, without no water.
Yeah, so there's like when it gets low, there's like a little walkway right there. You can go out to the island because usually this is full of water, but now it's just like drained out. You can actually walk across. And if you're curious, this place is called Coralito. So you know what? We're actually gonna do it, right?
Yeah.
We'll walk across at least halfway.
Normally, it's like he said, ankle deep.
Yeah.
Which is crazy because right now it's dry.
This is our lucky day.
It really
We
is.
saw a JetBlue plane come in early. Had amazing food, amazing tour.
Yeah, Taz said he's never seen it like this.
Like you guys can see, like it has like all these little sea plants, seaweed, and all that stuff. It's just drying out in the sun.
It's like we're seeing the ocean floor right now.
Do you think this is like an alive sea dollar right here? It has like,
oh my god!
It has like the shapes and stuff as a sea dollar.
I didn't know they were so puffy.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what that is. I only seen them as white on the beach.
Sea dollar.
And then this is what it looks like on the other side. Dude, look at that view. Laura's little backdrop. I know she's kind of blown out, but still cool.
I can't stop thinking about how bad it would hurt if you fell down right here.
Oh no, volcanic rock sucks to fall on.
You guys, we had the most incredible day with Splash in the Sun tours. Jerry and Taz, thank you guys so much for having us. This was probably one of the best tours that we've ever been on. Please check them out next time you're in St. Maarten.
Or you're going to St. Maarten.
Yeah.
100% recommend.
They offer so many different kinds of tours. We really enjoyed the one that we did, which was in the UTVs, but it just felt so personalized.
And they have 4 UTVs. They just got them in, so you can take them all around the island. I think they might rent them, or they might do like their own personal tour, but I definitely recommend. We saw everything. It makes me want to come back and just stay for a week and check out everything. Like a cruise is it's not long enough for this.
I can't believe how much they showed us in one day. Like, it was truly just out of this world. I sound cheesy, but it's true.
Like they also showed us local spots, not like all the tourist traps. But let's get back on the ship, jump in a shower, and get ready for dinner.
Oh, shower.
I know, right?
Knowing your body feels so tired.